Yeah, hello dear students. From today onwards, I am going to explain around 10 problems daily, like around 20 days, 20 into 10, 200 problems to cover class 11th and class 12th. Most important models of JEE Main I am going to discuss. It helps you a lot. Daily practice along with the preparation, you practice these questions also, you get more benefit, you can maximize your score, you can improve your score. It helps. So try to follow my videos, like and share to your friends. Now I will start the problems around 10 problems in mixed combination of all the topics. I will do that. Now see, this is the first problem. The range of y equal to cos x into cos x minus cos 3x is range of this expression they are asking. When they are asking range of this expression, you should simplify, right? Now this is a combination of cos x. So it's simple, you can see here this is cos square x. If you multiply with the 2y equal to 2 cos square x minus 2 cos 3x cos x. These are the options. Just you multiply with 2. Why the purpose? What is 2 cos square x? We know that this is 1 plus cos 2x. But we know that 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a cos b, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Cos of a plus b, 4x plus cos of a minus b, it will be 2x. Now you can see here cos 2x, I can eliminate this. This will be 1 minus cos 4x. But we know that 1 minus cos 4x is 2 sin square 2x. 1 minus cos 4x is 2 sin square 2x. But we know that this is 2y. So y equal to sin square 2x. Sin square 2x lies between 0 and 1. So maximum value 0, minimum value 1, 0 and 1. Why? Because sin square of any angle lies between 0 and 1. So answer is the fourth option. Now to the next problem now. See, this to solve this problem, cos square 1 degree minus cos square 2 degree by sin 3 degrees in sin 1 degree. Just you remember, if you take sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b, so this will be always equal to, we know this, sin square a minus sin square b. Right? Sin square a minus sin square. Also I can write cos square b minus cos square a. Right? Just remember. So we have cos square b minus cos square, let it be, this is b, this is a. Cos square b minus cos square a. Follow the sign of a plus b into sign of a minus b. If you follow the sign of a plus b, you will get 2 plus 1 into sign of a minus b, 2 minus 1. Because this is a, this is b. By we have sin 3 degrees into sin 1 degree. So both are equal, you can cancel, answer is 1. Your answer is 1. Simple problem only, we start with basics. Now, next problem. Just now see this problem. In this problem, they are asking solution set of inequality. X plus 1 less than or equal to 6 by x. Now when the given problem is don't do the cross multiplication here, I can do like this. Now you can see here x plus 1 minus 6 by x less than or equal to 0. Now if we do this, x square, I will get plus 1 minus, you will get x square plus x minus 6 by x. So clear, we know that x should not be equal to 0, right? X should not be equal to 0. The factors of this I can write x plus 3 into x minus 2 by x. Use J curve method. They can write the values of this. Now between this one minus, you will get minus 3 and 2 and 0 we should not consider, right? We don't want 0. Equality, I can include in minus 3 and 2, right? Since equality is there, I can include minus 3 and 2 excluding 0, point of discontinuity. Now if you take right off to one value, you can check that the graph, if we draw like this, it will come like this, right? So positive values, negative, positive, negative. We are expecting negative values less than or equal to 0. Your answer is, I can write minus infinity to minus 3, minus infinity to minus 3, including, I can write this one, because negative case means 0, excluding 0, including 2. So your answer is fourth option. Your answer is fourth option, right? That will be your answer. Now I will solve the next problem now. See in this problem, just given this number of ordered pairs x comma y, where x and y are real numbers, satisfying this equation x square plus y square minus 24x minus 26y plus 313 equal to 0. Then how to solve this one? Here we will try to make it perfect square form. X square plus minus 24x, it can be written as, I can write x minus 12 whole square, and I can write this one, y square, this one I can write y minus 13 whole square. You can check x square minus 24x plus 144, and this one you will get 169. So this should be equal to 313. So this equal to this one sum equal to 0. I got sum of squares of two positive numbers equal to 0. This is positive, this is positive. Whenever sum of squares of two positive numbers, see the positive number, square of a number gives positive. Sum of two positive numbers equal to 0 means definitely each number should be equal to 0. Otherwise it never be 0, right? When it holds, each should be equal to 0. Then I can write x minus 12 equal to 0, y minus 13 equal to 0. Then we get x is equal to 12, y is equal to 13. Only one ordered pair. X comma y equal to 12 comma 13, exactly one ordered pair to satisfy the given equation. Now see in this problem they are given here a positive, b positive, c positive, then both the roots of the equation. What do you get? When all are positive, what about the roots of this equation? So to decide about this, generally if we find x value, you will get minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. For example, if we take equation x square plus x plus 1, all are positive, a, b, c both are positive. If we take whatever the roots of this equation, you will get minus 1 plus or minus, you will get root of b square minus 4ac, 1 minus 4 by 2. You will get minus 1 plus or minus root 3i by 2. It will come like this, right? You can observe here, the real part you get minus 1 by 2 plus or minus I into root 3 by 2. Definitely the real part you can say have negative real parts. Negative, you take any example, you take negative. Suppose you take any other equation, x square plus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Here also what becomes follow the same thing, x equal to minus 2 root of, you will get b 4ac by 12 by 2. Minus 2 plus or minus, you will get the same thing here. You will write a 2 root 2 I write by 2. So minus 1 plus or minus, you will get root 2i. Even you can see real part will be negative always. Whenever a and b and c are positive, you get real part is negative, have negative real parts. So third option is your answer. We get negative real parts. Always negative real parts. Like that we can decide your answer. It gives negative real parts. Now we do the next problem. See, this is the problem. The maximum value of the sum of the terms. They are asking 50, 48, 46, 44, decreasing 2, 2, 2, 2. At one stage we get 0 and negative numbers. If I continue this, I can write 50, 48, 46, 44 and so on. You get here, this is one stage, you get 2 and 0, you get minus 2, minus 4 and so on. The series is going on like that. But they are asking maximum value. When they are asking maximum value, I should consider up to the series I can up to here. Up here from 2 to 50, right? From 2 to 50 even numbers. So from take to 2 to 50 even numbers, 2 will get 4 up to 50. Correct. So how many numbers we have? A is equal to 2. Common difference is 4 minus 2, right? 2. The number of terms 25, right? It's clear 25, right? Because this is 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 25. 25 numbers are there. Sum of 25. After that you get value will be less. They are asking maximum value. Sum of n terms in AP. The terms are in AP. So the terms are in AP, right? Sum of n terms. n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into t. Substituting these the values, you will get yes 25. 25 by 2. You will get a 2 into 2. So 25 minus 1, 24 into 2. Take 2, this one common here. You will get 25 into, and take it 2, 25 plus 2, 26. 25 into 6, 650 your answer. Answer is 650. We do next one. This is a simple concept because I am starting with the basic problems. See here, they are given as roots of opposite sign. This equation I can write x square minus 3x plus a square minus 9 equal to 0. So what about the product of the roots here? If we take product of the roots equal to a square minus 9. Because c by a constant by this. They told here roots of opposite sign. Since the roots of opposite sign, the product of roots will be negative. A square minus 9 will be negative. So we get a plus 3 into a minus 3 will be negative. We get a plus 3 is negative. So a value lies between minus negative. A value lies between minus 3 and 3, right? I can write minus 3 less than a less than 3. A value is minus 3 and 3. Then as the roots of opposite sign, then the sum of all possible values of a. So you can observe here sum of all possible values. Then we get a lies between minus 3 and 3. Minus 3 and 3. So what see, this is the thing here, a square minus 9 lies between these two. Minus 3 and 3. So if we take sum of all possible values of a, sum of all possible values of a equal to 0 here. Because opposite sign, sum of all possible values of a. A equal to 0, answer is 0. Sum of all possible values a equal to 0. Now we do the next one. They are asking the value of this sigma equal to 0 to 101 minus 1 whole power here. When they are asking this value up to, we have 0 to 101, 102 terms. 102, if you expand this, if it start with 0, minus 1 whole power 0, minus 1 whole power 1, minus 1 whole square, minus 1 whole cube. I can expand like this. You can see because total 102 terms we have. So I can make it like this, plus I can write again minus 1 whole power 4, minus 1 whole power 5, minus 1 whole power 6, minus 1 whole power 7, and so on. I can extend like this. At the end you can see here, I can write minus 1 because up to 101, right? So I can consider the last two terms, I can consider from 98, 97, 99, 100, 101, the last 4 terms. If I write the last 4 terms, I can also write the last 4 terms, right? Minus 1 whole power 98, plus minus 1 whole power 99, minus 1 whole power 100, minus 1 whole power 101. Like for each one I have taken 4 terms to understand this. You can see this will be minus 1 whole 2, 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. So everywhere you will get 0. So this term will be 0, this also 0, this also 0. Answer will be 0, right? I have taken the group of terms. This is one group you take. This is another group. Like this you make it groups. Every 4 terms one group. Clearly this will be 0, right? So this result will be 0. And this also will be 0. Everything this also will be 0. Everything will be 0. Answer is 0, right? Everything, entire thing it comes 0. 0. So the result will be 0 it comes. Go to the next one now. Now see this, they are asking range of this expression. But here immediately you can see what is the domain of this. When they are asking range of this, the domain of this function should be, I can write here r minus 2 singleton 2, right? At 2 I can't define this function. R minus singleton 2. So this is domain of this, correct? Now when I am talking about the range of this, if we do cross multiplication, I can write this one yx minus 2y equal to x square minus 6x minus 5. Transfer one side, x square minus, I can transfer this side, minus y you can write minus of 6 plus y into x. I can write this one plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. So you get this is a quadratic equation. We get like this, x square minus 6x minus yx plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. Since roots are real except 2, since x belongs to R, discriminant, since x belongs to R minus singleton 2. Even coefficient of x square is positive. So now you can see in this the discriminant I can consider. The discriminant you will get, so it's because they are given. If we think about the graph also, that except 2 we can't define. Except 2 we can't define, right? The discriminant should be greater than or equal to 0. The discriminant is greater than or equal to 0 if you consider discriminant. But the discriminant it comes now, b square, you will get 6 plus y whole square minus 4ac 2y minus 5, you will get greater than or equal to 0. I get this expression here, it should be greater than or equal to 0. 4 2y minus 5. I can simplify this, you will get y square, you will get this one 12y plus 36 minus 8y plus 20 greater than or equal to 0. I am simplifying this. Finally, you will get y square plus 4y, y square plus 4y plus 36, you will get 56 greater than or equal to 0. Correct. You will get 56 greater than or equal to 0. So which is true for all y belongs to R, right? So this is y square plus 4y plus 56 greater than or equal to 0. So you can see I got like this, y square plus 4y plus 56. So you can see here, this is the expression, it's clear everything is positive. It is true for all y belongs to R. Y square plus 4y. Even I can write this one, clearly positive this one. Why? Because you can see here, this expression I can write. I got like this, I can write y plus 2 whole square. Plus I can write 4 plus you get 52, clearly greater than or equal to 0 for all y belongs to R, right? For all y belongs to R. For all y belongs to R. Of this, what I have done here, y plus 2 whole square, y square plus 4y plus 4, 52. So definitely it is true for every y, for every value of y belongs to R. So that is the your answer is this one. Open interval minus infinity comma infinity will be your answer. This will be your answer. Minus infinity comma infinity. I will do the next problem now. So in this problem they are asking the first term of an AP of consecutive integers is k square plus 1. They are given k square plus 1. The sum of 2k plus 1 terms of the series can be expressed as, simple problem over here. The given first term, let it be a equal to k square plus 1. They are talking about consecutive integers means common difference is 1. Number of terms n is equal to 2k plus 1. They are asking sum of those terms. So I can write sum of those terms is I can write Sn is equal to s of 2k plus 1. You will get n by 2. 2k plus 1 by 2. First the 2a, 2 into k square plus 1 plus 2k plus 1 minus 1 d is 1. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into t. I can take it 2 common. So 2k plus 1 into, here you will get k square plus 1. You will get this is 2k. You will get 2k plus 1. You will get 2k square. This is k square I have taken common, k square plus 1. I have taken 2 common also. Oh, plus 1 here I can simplify. This plus 1 minus square I have taken 2 common. It will be k square plus k. Only this one it comes. When I have taken 2 common, get cancelled 2k plus 1, k square plus 1 plus k. So if I multiply this I can multiply this one. I will get this one. If I multiply 2k cube, you will get, if I multiply everything, 2k plus 2k square. If I multiply everything, this is plus k square plus 1 plus k. Everything you will get like this. Now you can check this one. This is the expression here. I can express this one in this any one of the expression. K plus 1, I can express this one is equal to 2k. We take 1k cube. The remaining terms will be k plus 1 whole cube. You can check that. K cube. You will get 3k square, 2k square, 3k square. You will get again 2k plus k, 3k plus 1 cube. So this will be in this form. Second option is your answer. Thank you. See you in the next video. About the remaining 10 more problems I will do in the next video. Thank you.